Can you refinance your current mortgage with a late payment in the last 12 months? I'm Jason Skinrood, Mortgage Loan Officer. In this video, we're going to talk about whether or not you can refinance your existing mortgage if you've had a late payment in the last 12 months. Now, if you find that this information is helpful to you, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. So I did have a little bit of inspiration in making this video. I recently had a client approach me about doing a refinance. As we were going through the application process, we went ahead, pulled his credit, and at that time discovered that he had that 30-day late payment. So I went ahead, contacted the borrower, talked to him a little bit about exactly what had happened. It wasn't his inability to be able to make the payment. It was just something, an oversight on his part where he'd forgotten. So now we're finding out that he'd had that late payment, that it did in fact get reported to the credit bureaus. And so what were we going to do to be able to help him take advantage of the low interest rates and still be able to refinance? There are many lenders out there, unfortunately, that won't allow you to refinance if you've had a 30-day late payment in the last 12 months. However, the company that I work for is a direct lender with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. And so in the case of refinances where borrowers have had 30-day late payments in the last 12 months, we are able to use the automated underwriting feedback directly. So as long as something like Fannie Mae's desktop underwriter or Freddie Mac's loan prospector will allow the borrower to refinance even with a 30-day late payment, then we can go ahead and do that. Now for my client who had that 30-day late payment, he's actually still able to refinance because we were able to get an approved feedback through Fannie Mae's desktop underwriter. And I think a large contributing factor to that was the fact that he still had excellent credit, because derogatory information just really didn't exist on his credit report other than the fact that this recent 30-day late payment in the last 12 months. So yes, you can still refinance. You just need to work with a lender who is able to help you do that. Now, if you have questions about whether or not you can refinance with a 30-day late payment in the last 12 months, be sure to ask them in the comments section below. And if you need help with a refinance because you have had a 30-day late payment in the last 12 months, feel free to reach out to me, or if you have any questions about it, I'm always happy to help, and thank you for watching this video.